Are you planning to export food, rice product from India? Then listen carefully, because without APDA registration, your exports can stop without even it starts. Many exporters find buyers and prepare shipment first, and only later realize they need an APEDA certification. Hi, I am Akriti from Diligence Certification. What is APDA registration, how to get it, and who need it? APDA registration is issued by Government of India under Ministry of Commerce. It is mandatory if you export food or agricultural products from India, like rice, grain, fruit, vegetables, spice, meat, dairy, honey or packaged food. Small traders, big exporter, farmers and merchants. Everyone exporting these products need APEDA. Documentation and registration process. To apply for APEDA registration, you need import-export code. You also need PAN card, bank details, business proof, address proof, email ID and mobile number. The process is fully online. Fill details on the APEDA portal, select product category, upload documents, pay on-time fee and submit. After verification, your APEDA certification is issued online. APEDA registration is lifetime valid, no need of renewal. Benefits of APEDA certification. After APEDA certification, you get legal permission to export, smooth custom clearance, trust from foreign buyers, access to government export benefits and trade fairs. At Diligence Certification, we handle the full process: document checking, correct product selection, filling and follow-up, so you can avoid delays and mistakes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thanks for watching.